Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later for consistent menus. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer to secure all data. Verify at least 50% battery or keep the device plugged in during changes. Write down your Apple ID email and the current password before proceeding. Also enable two-factor authentication on the account to prevent lockouts during the update. Finally, note any app-specific passwords you might need after switching accounts. Open Settings on the iPhone, then tap your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and choose Sign Out to remove the old Apple ID from this device. Enter the current Apple ID password when prompted and choose whether to keep data on this iPhone. After signing out, tap Sign In and enter the new Apple ID email and password. Approve the new sign-in using a two-factor authentication code if requested. Finally, verify iCloud settings and toggle services like contacts and photos. Open the Settings app and go to Mail, then Accounts to add the new email address. Tap Add Account, select the provider, and enter credentials to sync mail, contacts, and calendars. For third-party apps that use the old email, sign out and then sign in with the new address. Check subscriptions and payment methods in Settings to update billing tied to the previous Apple ID. Finally, test sending and receiving email from the new account and restart the iPhone to ensure all changes apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.